Professional Auto Care presents Maintenance Monday.
Hello and welcome to today's quick clip of a car care tip. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the most essential but also simplest things to take a look at on your vehicle, the engine oil. Now the engine oil is used to make sure that the engine stays well lubricated and prevents any internal damage. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we need to do to keep you in the good. Alright, we're at our vehicle now. Now most often the engine oil dipstick will be located somewhere around the perimeter of the engine, most often on one of the sides. And it's also going to be most easily identifiable, oftentimes by a yellow handle. Now this may be different on some vehicles, so if you're having difficulty locating the engine oil dipstick, go ahead and consult your owner's manual and that'll let you know exactly where to look. What we're going to do when we check the oil, we're going to first go ahead and pull the stick. Now the first reading that we see on here is not going to be accurate because you have to check the engine oil once everything's been off. So we're going to go ahead and clean that initial look and then put it right back in. This time we've got an accurate reading that we can take a look at. Now on all your dipsticks there should be a nice little range that identified of the safe operational range, a low and a minimum mark. As long as you're between the two of those, you're in good shape. Too high, you may have oil spilling. Too low, and you may get some possibility for damage. So we want to make sure that we're good. On this one we are, so we're going to go ahead and check it one more time. Measure twice and cut once, my dad always said. So we're taking another look, and yep, we're still in the good. So the other thing you want to look for, just make sure it's not looking too dark, and that'll be an indication of how old the engine oil is. Otherwise, as long as everything looks good, you're in great shape.